Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm very excited because I'm going to be doing a review on the new Colourpop No Filter Foundation. I'm so excited about doing this. This is actually my first review and my first try on any of the Colourpop products. So I'm really excited and I hope you guys are too. So again, like I said, I'm going to be doing a review on the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. I picked this up and my color is in Deep Dark 190. At least I hope that's what my color is in. I'm also going to be using the No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder. I picked that up as well. And I picked up the color Dark. And lastly, I'm going to be using the No Filter Concealer as well. And I picked this up in the color Dark 46. So if you want to hear my thoughts on the products, then please keep on watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to first start taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Okay, and I'm just going to place that on my face. The next thing I'm going to do is grab the foundation. It looks like this. It's a really cute bottle. It's small in size, but the specs is it has, let's see how much is in here, 0.85 fluid ounces of product. I like the design on it. It's really cute, and it also has a pump, which is something that I love. So again, these Colourpop No Filter foundations, it just says that, and I'm looking here on my phone, and it says that it is an oil-free, lightweight formula, blends smoothly, and is easily customizable to create the coverage that you want. So you can build it up, or you can just have a light foundation on. It's up to you. So let's go ahead and get started placing this on my face. I'm also going to be using a brush that was sent to me. If you purchase the foundation, then they also sent you a Colourpop foundation brush in F16. So I'm going to be using this to apply my foundation. So I'm going to place it just here on the back of my hand first. And I just did 2 pumps there. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to use the foundation brush, but I am going to go back in with a beauty blender just to blend this all out. Now I'm surprised because I had no idea how this foundation will look on my skin, and I really don't know if you guys can tell or not how well it is matching my skin because it's raining outside, so I apologize right now for the dark color that I'm sure you're seeing. Like, it is dark outside. Okay, so that is not good when you're trying to shoot a video, but oh well, we're gonna go with it. Okay, so I didn't have enough foundation to go all over my face, so I'm just gonna do probably about 1 more pump. But so far, I am loving the color, you guys. I am loving this color. Because honestly, like I said in one of my other videos, my foundations have been looking a bit light on me since the summer. And I also like this foundation brush as well. Now it is a bit red, but I do know that once I put on my concealer and everything, it will just be the perfect color. Still have some left on my hands, so I'm going to go ahead and put it over here on these spots where I have hyperpigmentation on my cheeks. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender. Guys, I will say the black one is not my favorite. I don't know, compared to the other colors, it seems a little bit not as soft. I don't know, maybe it's just me, or maybe it's the one that I have, but you guys let me know. It's not a fake one, it's actually a real beauty blender, but I don't know, this one isn't my favorite. I tend to go with the pink one or the white one more often. because they're softer. Like, this is really hard as I'm pressing it into my skin. So I feel like it's so hard to where I tend to not actually use it that often. But the other ones are dirty, and I did not want to come on using a dirty beauty blender. That's the foundation. What do you guys think? Again, I don't know how it's coming off on camera, but just looking at the foundation here in my mirror, it just looks really good. And again, I know it does look a bit red, especially compared to my neck, but that part obviously does not get as much sun as the rest of my face, so it does match. And it definitely looks closer to my skin tone in person. All right, so that's the foundation. Next, I'm gonna go in with the concealer. Again, it looks like this, and I got the color Dark 46. Now, just going off reviews that I saw on YouTube, I figured maybe this will be the one that matches me the best, so I went ahead and picked it up. So let's see. It looks a little bit light in the container. I'm not gonna lie, it does look a little bit light, but let's see. Okay. And I'm just going to take the Real Techniques pointed foundation brush to kind of blend this out initially. Okay, doesn't look bad. And again, I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender and just blend that all out. Alright, now I'm gonna go in and set that with my Sacha Buttercup. Y'all, this eyelash is hanging out for dear life. Ugh. Alright, and now I'm going to go ahead and just wipe that away with a fluffy brush. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the No Filter Press Foundation. Again, I got this in the color Dark, so this will just be a overall powder for my face. And again, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques. This is a multitask brush, so it could be used for anything. So I'm just, this is what the color looks like. Okay, so far so good. All right, next I'm gonna go in with the my Queen Collection bronzer in Ebony Bronze, and I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. blush brush. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to go ahead and put this to contour my nose just a little bit. I wasn't going to do it, but I guess I'll go ahead and do that just to bring the look together. So that's the foundation, guys. I definitely think it is a good buy if you are wanting to try a new foundation. I do like it. I love how it applies. I love the way it feels on my skin. It really feels light on my skin. But they have a lot of colors to choose from. You'll definitely be able to pick one that suits you. So again, the foundation is $12. This powder retails for $9. And not the foundation, I'm sorry, but the concealer actually retails for $6. So Colourpop's prices are okay with me. They are definitely not that expensive at all for makeup products. They're definitely reasonably priced, which I really like. And again, this is the look. I really like it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I will come back on camera to just show you everything. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. And I have to say, I definitely am going to give a thumbs up to the Colourpop Filter Foundation, as well as the concealer and the powder. I definitely feel like they are all things that you should go out and get. If you are looking for some new products to try on the low, I definitely like the way that it looks after I apply my eyeshadow and my lips. And just an additional plug, I did use the Ellery and Colourpop lipstick in Anyways. I definitely think this lipstick looked really good with this look. So I do have a Colourpop look going on for you today. And I really like it. Again, the foundation, I love it. I'm definitely probably going to be using it this summer honestly, the way my other foundation has been looking this summer, I'm probably going to be using this foundation this summer. So again, I hope you guys like it. And if you're interested in seeing how I did this eyeshadow look, then please keep watching to the next video, because that is the video that's going to be coming up next. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.